captain.
Open it, Josh.
Tear it, bud, tear it.
Josh,
Rip
open
it up.
Open it, Josh.
Stop it.
Open.
The phone button.
Sorry.
Give it.
Look, I'm not supposed to rip things.
Give this. Get it.
There's a box. I got a box with one.
Mom's cell phone.
No.
Hey, we figured we'd just put you on speakerphone. How's that sound? Okay.
Mute the computer.
Put it right here. Open it, bud. What is that sound? Whoa!
Pick it up. Help me pick it up, Aaron.
What is it, Josh?
Look at that, Josh.
What is it? You want Winnie the Pooh. He wants to watch Winnie the Pooh because we have the computer sitting right here, and that's how he usually watches Winnie the Pooh, is on my computer. So.
Whoa.
Winnie the Pooh.
Look at that, Josh.
Ooh.
Tiger with an eye patch. Tiger.
It's a tiger with an eye patch, Josh.
Yay! That's so much fun. That is really cool. Okay, should we see what's in there?
Couldn't fast enough.
What's in here? Can you rip it?
That's heavy.
Can you rip it? Here, we'll flip it over.
You got a gold bar?
Hold it right there. Yeah, we got him a thing of gold.
Starting his investments early.
All right, put your finger in there and pull.
Babu.
Rip it, rip it, rip it.